Hello everyone, welcome to Astronomy 13. Astronomy 13 is our Astronomical Optics lab course, and what you get to do in this course is you get to make a 6-inch f9 mirror. Now, a little bit about this course. We started this course about 20 some years ago with Professor Perry Hacking, and it was actually some students who wanted to come and make a telescope. And so he ended up getting this class started, and he didn't know how to make a telescope at that time, so he had to learn with the students. And they ended up making their first batch of these 6-inch f9 mirrors. Once the mirror is made, you could assemble and make a Newtonian telescope. Now, he loved making a mirror so much that he went on and made so many more mirrors, bigger mirrors, and his last mirror that he handmade was a 42-inch Newtonian mirror. Anyway, he taught this class for about 20 some years, and about 6 years ago in 2014, he asked me if I wanted to teach this class. I had never made a telescope myself, so I had to learn with the students just like he had done. And so I made my first 6-inch f9 mirror. Now you might be wondering why 6-inch f9 and what does that even mean for some of you guys? An f9 is just a ratio of the focal length to the diameter. So an f9 means it's a 9 times 6, 54-inch focal length. And so this Newtonian telescope ends up being kind of human-sized telescope. Why do we go with that? It's one of the easier telescopes you could make as a beginner telescope maker, a mirror maker. And so the neat thing is, once you take this class and you learn how to do this, you can actually make bigger mirrors with shorter focal lengths or any sort of combination that you like. It becomes a little easier if you do this the first time around. So with this mirror, you don't actually just start off with a mirror in this class. When we say making a 6-inch f9 mirror, what we really mean is you get something called a mirror blank. And it looks something like this. And what you'll notice is it's not shiny. There's no aluminum on here. It doesn't look like a mirror at all. It's actually just a piece of glass. It's Pyrex glass. And what you end up doing is you end up grinding this so that it ends up having the right curvature for this type of telescope that you're making. Now, telescopes, the mirrors are parabolic in shape at the end. And so to do that, like I said, you need to grind it. How do you grind it? You use something called a tool. And here's a tool. The tool is not made of Pyrex. It's typically made of plate glass. And so the purpose of this video is actually to show you how you're going to use the tool and the mirror together to end up making the 6-inch f9. So that's what we will do.